Good afternoon, I'm Tim from Ultimate Screw Piling. I'm here on another site, another commercial site that we're working on for a company called Pincero. We're over at Woking, putting in screw piles for 4 very large luxury new homes on a new development they're working on. This project should take around about 4 to 5 weeks, depending on the time working with the clients on what they've got going on site. Obviously, there's lots of elements that go on. We're not just the one tradespeople on site at the moment, but the team behind me is screw piling on plot 1. We should look at getting plot 1 done in a week, plot 2 second week, and so forth.